Copy folder structures in Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox with Easy Cloud Manager. Organizing files efficiently boosts productivity. In this tutorial, learn how to copy folder structures in Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox using Easy Cloud Manager. OneDrive. Sign in to OneDrive. Go to My Files and open the folder. Select Copy To. Choose the destination folder and click Copy here. Dropbox. Sign in to Dropbox. Open the folder. Click the ellipsis icon and select Copy. Choose the destination folder and click Copy. Google Drive. Using Easy Cloud Manager. Download and install Easy Cloud Manager. Sign in and connect your Google Drive. Select the folder structure to copy. Choose the destination and click Copy. Alternative, multcloud. Sign up for multcloud. Add your Google Drive account. Copy and paste folders as needed. Keep your files organized with Easy Cloud Manager for seamless cloud folder management.